Good morning, guys. We got a package here from Microtech. Just arrived in the shop. We're going to open it up and see what it is. Let's check this out. I'm going to be using one of my personal knives from my collection to open it up. The Daytona with the single edge. Okay. Got a couple of signature series, it looks like. Let's see what we got. We got, ooh, check that out. We got a Combat Trudon Interceptor. And, oh, we have another one. You guys are gonna love this. These are absolutely phenomenal. Stay tuned and we're gonna do a quick checkout of what's inside.